Hello and welcome to Learn Blockchain Web Development. In this course, you will learn about blockchain, what blockchain is, what is Ethereum. You'll learn about Solidity programming language. You'll learn to write your own smart contracts and build decentralized applications. So in this course, we will be focusing mainly to understand the core of Solidity programming language. You will learn the concept, how the Web3 development works, how blockchain, smart contracts, the entire ecosystem, how they work. That concept is a bit hard to understand, and writing smart contracts is actually pretty easy. If you are coming from another programming language, if you have built some web applications before, then starting with writing smart contracts is pretty easy. And if you're familiar with language like JavaScript, Solidity are also very easy because they're very similar. The difficult thing I would say is this concept, the entire concept of blockchain, Web3, how everything works, the entire ecosystem. That is the difficult part. That's why in this course, we'll be focusing a lot to understand those core features. So there is a lot of theory in this course. You really have to go through those theories. In this PDF also, I will make it available so that you can always come back and go through each and every section so that you can refresh yourself, come back and then go through each of these sections, whichever you're not fully comfortable, and then repeat those sections. There's a lot of theoretical and practical code examples. All right, so pretty much the entire course is based on this content, which I have written everything and made it available to you as a PDF as well. So we'll go through absolute basics all the way to writing your own smart contracts, building your own decentralized application, and creating your own token. So let's go start with our very first section, and that's going to be with the obvious lecture, that is, what is blockchain.